Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this crunchy half cake. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. Welcome back guys. Here are my ingredients that I'll be using for this half cake. That is vanilla essence, powdered milk, egg, liquid milk, vegetable oil, sugar, baking powder and flour. So I'm going to be dropping the measurements to the ingredients on my description box. I'll be mixing my dry ingredients together, which is the baking powder, powdered milk and flour. I'll mix it together and set it aside. Crack in one egg into a separate bowl. Add my vanilla essence. Add in sugar. Whisk them together. Then I'll add in my vegetable oil and my liquid milk. And mix everything together to combine. So I'll bring back my dry ingredients and mix it with my wet ingredients. So here I'm going to be dropping my spatula so that I can use my hand to mix it very well. I'll knead it for like 2 minutes. So after kneading, I'll cover it to rest for another 2 minutes before cutting it out. I'll use my rolling pin to stretch it out. I'm not going to stretch it to be very flat. It has to be a little bit thick. Then after then I'll use my cutter to cut it to my desired shape. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you have watched to this extent, please hit the like button. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by, and to our new subscriber, you are welcome. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. And kindly share this video with your family and friends. You can see how thick it is. So the next thing for us to do is to fry So I already heat up my oil. It's hot. I will not allow it to be very hot, because when it's very hot, the cake will be brown outside but it won't cook inside. Please don't forget to hit the like button. So I'm going to be frying each side for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll turn it to another side to fry for another 2 minutes. If you are going to be trying this out, let me know in the comment section and give me back your feedback, how your own comes out. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and help me share my videos. See you all in my next one.